Congratulations
Okay,
on your shop.
congratulations. I
Please
thank
invite our
you.
viewers for your shop.
Ah, sige po, pagka sa lahat ng mga gusto magpalibre, gusto ng consultation, gusto ng punsoy consultation, punta lang po dito sa Ali Mall po.
Master
Sa
Ang.
Master Ang. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
for
thank you, thank you. Thank you. Okay, kain ka na, kain ka na. Okay, ma'am.
See that. And then, what else should I gonna say? Okay na lang with all sa
Kumain ka na ba? Kumain na kayo, serious, tulong na kayo. Kahit hindi
The thing that I'm not gonna buy food to eat for today because I was invited. And as for the meal for today.
Garden memories. Kailangan. O hindi pa. Baka sa'yo na ganyan. 25.
Master Ang free feng shui consultation.
Masaya dito. Pero okay lang yun kasi at least
So guys, I may not be able to invite you because this is a VIP invite. Sorry.
Gusto ko na tawag yung bata.
They are the clients of Master Ang. Lucky me. Oh my gosh. Not hungry, but I'm gonna eat. Bye for now. Thank you, thank you.